Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Patreon account private. We'll begin by opening up your Patreon app. So this is the Patreon app, and I'm gonna click on it and open it. Once you have it opened, you wanna go to your account page. When you have it open like this, look on the bottom right hand corner. Do you see this person icon right here? Click on that. And this will take you to the account page. Once you're here, go towards the top and click over here where it says account. Sorry, not account, settings. Settings. All right. Once here, underneath the account section, go to the bottom towards not the bottom, the center. Do you see where it says private profile? To the right, you see this toggle right here. When it's gray like this means your profile is public. To make it private, you want to tap on it once and it will turn orange like that. I think it's orange or red, whatever the color is. And this means it's private now. That's how you can make your account private on Patreon. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos.